Getting ready to put the fan in, so I'm going to drill a couple of pilot holes. I got 2 in already. Going to drill a couple of more, and then we're going to cut out the roof. First destruction of our van. Okay, I got a screwdriver here, and what's going to happen is when I get around to this end and this end, I'm going to lift this up and grab it so it doesn't fall through on the visqueen we have underneath catching the shavings.
We watched on a video that if you put magnets in a brown bag, it will pick up all the metal shavings, and it's working great.
Okay, we got the hole cut. Now we're going to see if this little bugger fits. Yep.
Is it snug?
A little bit loose going one way, but it's still nothing there. 1/4 to an 1/8 there, so we're good. Right where these edges are so that they're a little bit smoother.
What are you using to grind that down, brother?
A little grinding tool that goes on my drill.
Awesome.